That's a good point, Dave. So this year, one of the things that's going to be kind of making this a different event, because of our runway size being a lot smaller than other airports, we really wanted to have more helicopters come in. Helicopters is not something that you traditionally see in most air shows. You know, it's all different type of airplanes, fixed wing airplanes. So when we were throwing around these ideas at the initial kind of start of this, the planning part, we really wanted to showcase something a little bit different. And we thought, why not with helicopters?
Yeah, makes perfect sense.
They can land anywhere. So
yeah.